I'm Aditi from IT Electronics Components. In this video I'm gonna show you how to pay using Paytm Gateway payment method, where you can pay using any debit or credit cards, net banking, UPI, and your Paytm Wallet. After adding the items on your cart, click on the checkout button and fill the checkout details. Checkout section has been divided into two parts. First one is your shipping and billing address details, and second one is your payment options. After filling your shipping and billing address details, proceed to the next section, which is your payment options. Here you will select Pay using Paytm Gateway as your payment method. Then check the Terms and Condition checkbox, and click on Proceed to Pay button. Then Paytm will automatically takes you to Paytm Gateway section. Here you can select 3 different ways to pay for your order. First one is Paytm UPI QR code payment, where you can simply scan this QR code from any UPI apps to pay for your order. Second one is to pay using your pre-saved Paytm debit or credit cards and Paytm Wallet. For that you have to log in to your Paytm account using your Paytm registered phone number. And the third one is to pay using any debit or credit cards, Bhim UPI, or net banking. This is mainly for non-Paytm users, but Paytm user can also use this method. Select any one of these 3 payment methods of your choice, and pay for your order. For example, we are using the non-Paytm option, paying using a normal Indian debit card. Fill the required details as per your debit card, and pay for your order. After successful payment, your order will be placed, and your order status will show processing. If you have any further problems or queries, please feel free to contact our customer support team, or mail us at sales@itelectronicscomp.com. Thank you for shopping with us.